So this is problem number 21. Fit a binomial distribution to the following data. So he has given values of n and values of f. So here first we need to find out mean here. So in place of n, let us take it as x here. Let the data taken as x. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the last value here? 4. So here small n will be 4. Keep that in mind. Next, f. F means frequency. 28, 62, 46, 10, 4. Now find the total of f. How much you will get? You are getting 150. So this you will call it as capital N. So capital N is equal to 150. Okay. Next, in order to find out M, what is the formula? Sigma fx by n. So let us find out fx. The corresponding values of f and x have to be multiplied. It means 0 into 28, 0. 1 into 62, 62. 2 into 46, 92. 3 into 10, 30. 4 into 4, 16. Now find the total of this, that is sigma fx. We'll call it as sigma fx. So the total of it is 200. Okay. Now substitute the values here. Sigma fx 200 by in value 150. So m is equal to 1.3333. So why we have found out the value of m here? In order to find out the probability of success, probability of failure. So how to find out on the basis of this m? We got the value of n, small n here. We got the value of m. So on the basis of this, we can find out the value of probability of being success. That is, m is equal to np. That is 1.3333 is equal to 4p, implies 1.3333 divided by 4 is equal to p, implies 1.3333 divided by 4. How much you will get? 0.3333 is equal to probability of being success. Then Q is equal to 1 minus P is equal to 1 minus 0.3333 is equal to 0.6667. Okay. So now, in order to fit the binomial distribution, we need capital N, we need small n, we need P, we need Q. All things are there here. So for fitting a binomial distribution, the formula is n into n into P of R is equal to n into NCR into P raised to the power of R into Q raised to the power of n minus R. So what is the additional thing that you have found out when the binomial distribution is being fitted here? That is, additional thing is n. So before this P of R, you will get n. Before this total formula, you will get this n. Okay. So I'll wait for 1 minute. Please copy this. So I saved this board. Now let me clear. Now continuation here. So here we have to find out P of R is equal to 0 to P of R is equal to 4. So we need to do up to that. As small n is equal to 4, we have to find out P of R is equal to 0 up to P of R is equal to n, but it should, all the values should be multiplied with capital N. So that is n into P of R equal to 0 is equal to 150, capital N value is 150 into P of R is equal to 0. So here small n value is 4, C0 into P value is 0.3333 raised to the power of 0 into 0.6667 raised to the power of 4 minus 0, you will get 4. Now you simplify this. Is equal to 150 into 4C0. So if R value is 0, then N value may be anything. The answer you will get 1. That I already told you to multiply. Sorry, I already told you to remember. Any value raised to the power of 0, how much you will get? 1. So now 0.6667 raised to the power of 4 we need to find. 0.6667 into 0.6667 into 0.6667 into 0.6667 is equal to 0.1976 is equal to 150 into 1 into 1 into 0.1976. You're getting 29.64. This is P of R is equal to 0. Let me change the color. So next one, N into P of R is equal to 1 is equal to 150 into 4C1 into 0.3333 raised to the power of 1 into 0.666 raised to the power of 4 minus 1, how much will get? 3 is equal to 150 into 4C1. So if R value is 1 and N value 4, then that is NC1 answer will be N. That is 4C1 answer will always be N value. So N value here is 4. So directly we can write here 4 into any value raised to the power of 1, you will get the same value into, so 0.6667 divided by raised to the power of 3, that is, so whatever answer that I got here, that I will divide once with 0.667, that is 0.1976 divided by 0.6667. I'm getting 0.2964. So let me multiply all these values now. 150 into 4 into 0.3333 into 0.2964. We're getting 59.27. So this bit is over. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Has any doubt?
Yes, sir. Just I was telling the answers.
Okay, no problem. I am doing in the calculator.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If I do any mistake, you tell me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Next, n into p of r equal to 2
2,
is equal to 150 into
4,
4c2 into 0.3333 raised to the power of r value will get 2
2,
into 0.6667 raised to the power of 4 minus 2, how much will get? 2 is equal to 150 into, so 4c2, let us find it out here. 4c2 is equal to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So how much you'll get? 4 factorial. First let us do it afterwards. 4 minus 2, 2 factorial you're getting. So both are same. So one I will expand and one I will keep the same thing. So 4 I will expand up to 2 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. 2 factorial, 2 factorial will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled with the 2 here. So how much will get? 2 into 3? 6 will be there. So 4c2 answer you will get 6. Okay. Into 0.333 raised to the power of 2. That is 0.3333 into 0.3333 is equal to 0.1111. 4 1 second, right, into 0.6667 into 0.6667 is equal to 0.4445. So how much you'll get? 150 into 6 into 0.1111 into 0.4445. You're getting 44.45. So now you got P of R is equal to 4, 2. Now let us do N into P of R is equal to 3. Let us do in some other color. N into P of R is equal to 3 is equal to 150 into 4c3 into 0.3333 raised to the power of 3 into 0.6667 raised to the power of 1. So then you'll get 150 into 4c3. So I told you if there is only one value difference between n and r, the answer will be n. That is, you'll get answer 4. 4 into 0.333, 3 times you multiply 0.3333 into 0.3333 into 0.3333 is equal to 0.0370 into 0.6667. You multiply these four values, 150 into 4 into 0.0370 into 0.6667. We're getting 14.80 as answer. This is n is equal to n into P of r is equal to 3. Next, the last one, n into P of r is equal to 4. Let us do in some other color. Let us do it in black. N into P of r is equal to 4 is equal to 150 into 4C4 into 0.3333 raised to the power of 4 into 0.6667 raised to the power of 0. We'll get 150 into, so 4C4, how much you'll get? When r value and r value are same, you'll get answer 1. Already I told you. 1 into, so 0.3333 raised to the power of 4. That is 0.3333 into 0.3333 into 0.3333 into 0.3333 is equal to 0.0123 into 1 is equal to, let us multiply the values, four values, 150 into 1 into 0.0123 into 1. You'll get 1.85. Okay, so these are the values of P of r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, and r is equal to 4. After finding the values, we need to present in one particular manner. That I'll show you. I'll wait for 1 more minute. You please copy it. Afterwards, I'll do that in the new board. Okay. Okay, friends. So last step for this problem. Hence, binomial is n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if f, so for 0, what is the answer you got? For r is equal to 0, what is the answer you got? 29.64. For 1, what is the answer you got? 59.27. For 2, what is the answer you got? 44.45. For 3, what is the answer you got? 14.80. For 4, what is the answer you got? 1.85. Okay, friends. So this is how to fit the binomial distribution. Similarly, you would please try to do problem number 22. Here, capital N value has been given directly. So here, small p will be equal to 1 by 2 and q will also be 1 by 2. That is. Okay, tomorrow we will do this problem. There are some techniques. If I teach you those techniques, it will be easy for you in the examination. Okay. So 22nd, I will tell you. Don't worry. So problem number 22, I'll tell you tomorrow. So again, we'll meet tomorrow again exactly at 10 o'clock. So I request all the students to join the class exactly at 10 o'clock. Okay. So bye for today.
So today one more class is there.
That I will please stay in the line. I will find it out.